He looks like the hawk. It sure did go quiet on the ground.
Yeah.
And definitely them squirrels aren't going to come out with that thing sitting up there. He's just going to sit there and watch until something catches his eye, and then he's going to swoop down and snag it.
Yep. But all of our bird feeders are empty now.
The trees are too. They're hiding inside those bushes. He's going to sit there and be really still for a while until they forget that he's there.
I mean, now he's almost blending in.
Mm-hmm.
He knows we have feeders, and he knows it attracts all the other birds. He's very patient. Oh.
You see it?
No.
It's right on. Is that a
Oh, that's a bird.
The blue jay? The movement is like a blue jay. Oh no, it's not a blue jay. Look at that.
What is it?
You didn't get it.
It flew away?
Yep.
Oh, he's after it.
There he goes.
He went after it.